What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you are not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right at, I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my now. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I need to free my now. I really need my now. Oh, yeah.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine, oh. If you loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me
I'm done. This is the nails. Those are the toes. After my next thing to do, I stop by NIS, then I go up a shipping company, buy one big small drinking water, then I'm done. Yep. I am going to be doing an unboxing with YALL. I got my first PR skincare package. How did I get this PR package? I pitched to this brand. Now, what's pitching? In a nutshell, it's basically you you don't have to be this big influencer, but you have to be doing some sort of posting on your platform in order for this to basically go well for you. So, in a nutshell, you are basically going to email the brand for money to do a collaboration with them. So yeah, that's pitching. Also, you have the templates on Google. There's templates all over TikTok that you can put into your own wording. Be original, be yourself, be true to you. Send it to whatever brand that you're hoping to get PR packages from. Because in fact and in truth, this is not the only brand that I've ever sent emails to, but this is the only brand that has responded to me with a package. Other brands, they have responded to me saying that I am like on their wait list because they currently have a lot of persons to accommodate right now. So I'm on their wait list. I've had brands say, oh, we are full right now, but we will keep you in mind. And I have simply had brands that just never texted back. But let me tell you, I'm so excited for this care package. And I am not even like a skincare girly, but I will see this brand all over social media with the good reviews. So, you know, especially for persons of my skin type and my skin color. So, you know, I'm just excited to see what wonders or what magic everyone just be talking about. So, yeah. And on the point of skincare, I have never been a skincare girly. I don't want you guys to listen to what I'm saying. I want you guys to hear what I'm saying. I have never been a skincare girl. Yes, I'm 25 up to 26, and I have never been a skincare girl up until like a month ago or less than a month ago, literally. And in my skincare routine right now, I 4 items. I have a hydrating facial cleanser by CeraVe. I have a hydrating face toner by CeraVe. I have a vitamin C serum by well, I'm gonna put the name on the screen. And I have a Cetaphil whipped day cream with SPF 30 in here. Those are my 4 skincare items, and in the order that I just said them, that's the order that I use them. And let me tell you, that's my AM routine, and that's my PM routine. I am not even embarrassed. Like the other day, I was saying to one of my friends, like, I literally just I shower with the hair soap, right? Shower with hair soap. I shower with hair soap. Wash my face with hair soap, the bar soap, right? Exit the shower, moisturize my skin, moisturize my face with my everyday body lotion, and that's just it for me here. But I was telling my friend was like, why, man? Like, Rafaya, come on now. And I'm like, girl, I don't have a skincare routine. Like, what are you talking about? But before I even had this conversation with her, I was like, I've seen the girls on TikTok doing their skincare routine, yada yada yada, this and the third, and I feel like I need to get on. That's how the whole skincare stuff came up, along with the fact that I always had this insecurity with my dark circle. Yeah, as y'all can see. I mean, from afar, I can see that back to it. Yeah. So I've always had this insecurity with my dark circle. It's not like a bad insecurity of mine, because I genuinely, honestly, never really cared because of how many, oh, you're so beautiful comments that I get. Literally, like, makes me forget about the dark circle that I don't like on my Facebook. Long story short, I am super excited for this skincare package that I got from this brand. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I did open it and check to see if anything was broken or whatever at the shipping company, so you know how that goes. But I haven't really dug deep into everything I said, so I'm literally going to be opening the package with y'all. So this is what the box is looking like. You have it under here. That's the bottom. And ta-da! Yeah, the inside of this box is so cute. Tell me I'm lying. When I used to see other girls getting this package, and they was like, I literally thought this was a purse in theirs, but it's just a cute way of branding or packaging, I must say. It's super cute. I like it. It's for security as well, because you know it kept the stuff in there intact. But I really thought the girlies to go this way and thought it was like a pouch or something. But yeah, this is what the inside looks like. There is card in there. See a difference in your skin. Period, honey. I'm looking forward to that. No cap. This is some little detailing and stuff about Good Cues, which is the brand. Yeah. In there, I got 4 items. The first thing I got in the package is this niacinamide brightening toner. Excited about this. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. The next thing is this discoloration correcting serum. Super excited about this. I've been seeing it all over TikTok, and most of the reviews are for girlies like me with my dark circle. So the next item I got is this overnight exfoliating treatment. I haven't seen this much on there, but I know that this is on there. Excited. And the last thing in the package is this lightweight daily moisturizer. I've been seeing these as well, girls. So like, I've been seeing all those stuff on TikTok, so of course I'm excited. And seeing them on TikTok, not all of them were like paid sponsored. It was the persons that bought them with their own money, giving their own opinion on them. So you know they're gonna be good. I just really hope that they're good for my skin, because as you know, not everybody's skin is the same, and not everything will work on everybody's skin. But I'm gonna open them with y'all as well, and I definitely think that I'm going to. It's currently nighttime. It's 8:50 p.m. at night. I did look up these, and I saw persons actually using them at night too, so I might just use them tonight when I'm gonna take a shower before bed. So now the first thing that I showed you guys was the niacinamide brightening toner. Now on the box, it literally has all the ingredients of the product down to the T. Period. It also has directions, how to use it, when to use it, why to use it, all that. Period. And it's meant to include it in your skincare routine. It has the ingredients and the directions, along with which step the product would come in to play with. Period. You go with my cues. Okay, okay, okay. This is what it is on there, and basically what it is on the box, but in a more defined. Yeah, basically what was on the box is on here again. So the directions, when to use it, and all those good stuff. Doesn't have any smell. Okay, 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 okay. And this already doesn't have any smell. Okay, I see you. Nice cinnamon brightening toner. I see you, girl. Now the next thing that we have is the discoloration correcting serum. On the box as well, it's all the ingredients, the directions, when and how to apply. Ingredients, when, where, and how to apply, and some extra stuff on the side. Let me unbox. The same thing that was on the box. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if it's because they're new, but they're really not giving any sense. And I'm grateful for that because I don't like anything messing with my nose or irritating my sinus or anything like that. So that's good. That's good. The next thing that we have is the overnight exfoliating treatment. The ingredients just the same, the directions and how to wear, and it tells you what it does on the side. Let's unbox it. Oh, and at the top it gives you like a little summary of what it does. Like, what does it for? So yeah, hyperpigmentation and dark spots, all skin types. That's what the discoloration correcting serum is for. Brightening all skin types. That's what the niacinamide brightening toner is for. And for the overnight exfoliating treatment at the top, it says exfoliate all skin types. Okay, girl, I see you. This looks like the serum. Oh. Yes, see. Same info like it was on the boxes on here. Let me see if it smells. Oh! Maybe it was just my brain. No. This definitely has like I don't know how to explain it. It definitely has a chemical smell to it, but it's not like overbearing or nothing, but there's a smell in this one for sure, for sure. Yes, sir. The last thing that I showed y'all was the lightweight daily moisturizer. Ingredients on the side as well, directions and where it comes into play. And on the top it says moisturize all skin types. Based on box. Ooh. Yeah. The product looks super big coming out of this box. I'm tripping. Oh yeah. The same thing that's on the box is on here. It's not open. I hope it doesn't spill. Oh, that's actually nice. Actually nice. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm not saying anything. Probably when I start applying them to my face, I can like give you guys a different update. I definitely will. When I start using them on my face, I'm gonna definitely come back and give you guys a review or an update, I should say. I cannot smell anything for the life of me. But what is gonna happen is I'm gonna utilize these products, not just for tonight. I'm going to try using them or incorporating them in my skincare routine. Um, I noticed that most persons they either had nighttime skincare routine and morning time skincare routine, and for both they entail like different stuff. So I'm just going to see if I can have two skincare routines like what I see like the girls have. I most likely I am definitely going to have two skincare routine, one for the morning, which is AM, and the one for the night, which is PM. I know that I have enough products to do that. Hopefully it's not me like overdoing anything to my face or whatever. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Definitely going to incorporate them in my skincare routine, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys an update. Alright, so yeah, that was my unboxing first PR from the skincare company. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all made it this far to the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching all the way through. Yeah, that is it from me. Hopefully I'll be getting some other PR packages, fingers crossed, because like I said, I did see some more P.O, but yeah, loving it so far. Love the look of the product so far. I'm definitely going to be incorporating them in my skincare routine. Yeah, until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money with fi make you mine. If you loving every night fi make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. Nice, nice. I fi make you mine. But I love you plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'm